Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, welcome to the new video. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will tell you about the best website from where you can learn up premium skills. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about the graphics programming from where you can learn the graphics programming top 3 websites. So guys, as you know, our video format is that first of all, we'll go to fiverr.com and let's check the demand and skill of the check the demand and competition of the skill, and then we will go towards our websites. So first of all, I will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can learn, from where you can sell your services online and people can buy it. So here I type graphics programming. So as you can see, no competition, only 26 services available. I will develop a C++ program using OpenGL 2D 3D graphics. Okay. I will make your PLC program and HMI graphics. Okay. Okay, let's check out our first gig. In basic, he charged $50. I will develop a program using OpenGL 2D 3D graphics. Okay. Let's check out his portfolio. Good, great. So in this silver, resolving and fixing bugs in existing application 2D rendering. Okay. In standard, he charged $80 and enabled 3D rendering with GUI based application system in applications. In premium, he charged $120 development of entire OpenGL and GLUT applications animations. He got one 5-star reviews, and I think he completed 10 to 20 orders. And he is from Pakistan, and his name is Obedullah. And you can also analyze his gig description and make according to it, but first learn the skill. After that, the second gig is from Nicola Goni. I think I do not pronounce his name well, but okay. From basic, he charge 10 USD. Optimize your PLC or HMI program, develop and some functions. Okay. In standard, he charge $35. What you need, give solution for your automation projects. Okay. Premium, he charge $50 and realize from start to finish your project and be as your colleague. Okay. You can also check out his gig. He completed 10 orders. He got 5 2-star reviews, and you can also compare his packages, and that's it. So I close his gig and let's move towards our last gig. I will do sports graphics to more Colgate athletic programs. Okay. In basic, he charged $10. In standard, he charged $30. In premium, he charged $60. Or you can also check out his gig and let's let's make this gig. Uh, let's make your gig according to this, but do not copy his gig description. So guys, I think Fiverr part is over now. Let's move towards our website part. So the first website is learnopengl.com, from where you can learn about graphic programming. They, as you can see, you can also practice this code repository, getting started tutorials, and there are a lot of tutorials. I think get started. OpenGL, creating a window, hello window, shaders, textures, transformation, camera review. Here you can learn about OpenGL and their extensions, their state machine objects. They will teach you about everything. These are basically a written tutorials from where you can learn well. So must go for it because this website is a big name in graphics programming. So guys, let's move towards our second website, NVIDIA developer. NVIDIA is also a very big tech company. They make, graphics card. So they are authenticated, compare solutions for boosting data center redundancy, and you can also learn from their tutorials like training. And here you can learn difference like this: efficiency generated synthetic data for computer vision models, and these are the tutorials, and you can learn graphics programming from there. But I recommend you go for OpenGL. our first website because they are for beginner and I think this is for intermediate. So I close his this website and move towards our last website, which is official Microsoft website. And this program is called DirectX Software Development Kit. And these are the detailed system requirements, install instruction, and additional information, related resources. And you can also check out their tutorials and go for it. So, guys, these are the three best websites from where you can learn graphics programming. So, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn it and through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.